Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. It's our English period. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today is Thursday, 24th December 2020. First of all, tell me how many weathers in a year? There are 5 weathers in a year. Revised weather's name: sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, foggy weather. How's weather like today? In morning, there will be some fog, but after some time, shiny sun will appear. But in morning, here will be cloudy weather, and after some time, there will be a sunny weather. Okay. There are 7 days in a week. Revised days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, revise spelling of days of week: sun sun, day day, Sunday, mon man, day day, Monday, tues Tuesday, day, Tuesday, wed nes nes, day, Wednesday, thurs Thursday, Thursday, fri day, Friday, satur day, Saturday. Okay, now tell me how many months in a year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Which month is going on? December. December comes in winter season. It is the last month of the year. Okay, LKG, now sing ABC rhyme. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be when I learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Okay, LKG, let's start phonics. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, LKG, now we will revise words with E. What is this? Yes, I hope you all remembered. Hey is an egg. Tell me spelling of egg. E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. Our second picture is ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Our third picture is eye. Yes, E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. Okay, now revise words with F. Here is picture of fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Our next picture is fun. F-U-N, fun. F-U-N, fun. Here is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Now revise words with G. G-U-N, gun. G-U-N, gun. Our next picture is gift. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. Next picture is gate. G-A-T-E, gate. G-A-T-E, gate. Okay, students, revise words with H. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Here is another picture. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, H-U-T, hut. Our next picture is hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Today we will write words with I on workbook. I-N-K, ink. I-N-K, ink. I-R-O-N, iron. I-R-O-N, iron. Our last word is ice. I-C-E, ice. I-C-E, ice. Okay, students, let's move towards our workbook. Today is our workbook day. Okay, students, open your English workbook, page number 57 and 58. First of all, write short date 24-12-20 on both pages. After that, you will do an activity, color the things begin with I. Yes, here is an insect. Insect start from letter I. Here is an igloo. Igloo starts from letter I. Here is an other insect. Here is an ice cream. Yes, here is an injection. Okay, you all color in these pictures. Okay, let's move towards the next page. Here is an ice cream, an igloo, an iron. Okay, first of all, you will write here ICE, ice, CREAM, cream, ice cream. You will give some space between ice and cream. Make small hook of I, C, E. These three letters write in center two line. Also write cream in center two line. CREAM, cream. These five letters also write in center two lines. Move towards our next word, igloo. Igloo is a house which is made from ice. Yes, you will write I, make small hook of I, write in center two lines. G write in lower three lines. L write in upper three lines and make small loop of L, and also double O, igloo. Here is an iron, I-R-O-N, iron. Iron write in center two lines. Yes, make small look of I, R write in center two lines, O also write in center two lines, N also write in center two lines. Do this work with sharp pencil and in very neat handwriting. Color these pictures and show me picture of your work. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.